getting more water in your cup? You doing it yourself? Want to get more? Wash your hands. Okay. Want soap, hon? What are you doing?
No.
I'm just asking. Wow. You got enough? No. I gotta wipe it up with this towel. Thanks. You could do it. It's a little spilling. Good job. Spilled a little bit. Okay. I think you got it. Uh-oh. Okay, you want to shut it off now? No? Alright. You want to drink some? Good, hon. Push it, push it, push it. You got it! You did it! Okay, you got to be careful with that now. You want to bring it into the kitchen? Step down carefully. Carefully. You want help carrying it? You got it. You got it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mommy will clean it. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I know what you're going to do. Whoa. Oh. It's okay. Now we got a big pile. Okay. The rug got wet, hon? Okay, move it out of the way. Gotta push the towel around. Okay, there you go. It's a big pile of water, right? You want help?
No.
Okay. Alright, some water right there, babe. Yo, your stool got wet. It's good you cleaned it. Alright, put the towel down. Now you were gonna go shut the light off. Whoa is right. We have to wipe it up better so there's no slipping and sliding. It's cold. Are you going to shut the light off? Or you got to get more water now? I got to start all over. Push it. Want help? Yes, I can help you. What do you say?
No.
A lot you want? Okay, there.